Importing live stock data into your terminal is crucial for several reasons, especially for traders, investors. Here are some key points. First one, real-time decision making. Stock market can move quickly, and having real-time data at your fingertips allow you to respond immediately. Whether it's executing a trade or adjusting your strategy, live data helps you capitalize on short-term opportunities and avoid losses. Second, algorithmic and automated trading. If you are running trading bots or algorithms, they need live data to function correctly. Without it, your trading system might make decisions based on outdated information, which could lead to poor performance or missed opportunity. Third, accurate market monitoring. Continuous access to live stock data allows you to keep an eye on price change, volume, and market condition as they happen. This is especially important when dealing with volatile assets that can shift dramatically in a short time. Fourth, testing and optimized strategy. Live data is essential for testing your strategy under real market condition. By seeing how your algorithm or strategy perform with live inputs, you can optimize them for better outcomes. Fifth, custom alert and notification. Live data allows you to set up triggers such as price threshold, volume spike, or change in market sentiment. These custom alerts help you stay updated on market events and make timely moves when necessary. Sixth, data-driven decision. The stock market is driven by information. Importing live data gives you the most up-to-date information, helping you make better trading and investment decisions based on current trend or movements. Seventh, minimizing response time in high-frequency trading. For high-frequency traders, millisecond matters. Having live stock data reduces response time, allowing you to execute trades faster than competitors who are working with delay data. In short, importing live stock data into your terminal offers speed, automation, and precision, empowering you to take control of your trading and investment decision in real time. TradingView provides data for different asset classes and market sentiment. First, equities. Real-time and historical stock price for companies listed on exchange worldwide. Second, option. Essential option data including real-time price, implied volatility as well as option chain are available. Indices. Major global indices, sector indices, and smaller regional indices all are available here. Commodities. Gold, silver, crude oil, natural gas, and other commodities data also available. Forex. Currency pair like Euro, USD, etc. are all available. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of other cryptos also available. Future. Stock index future, commodity future, and other derivatives are also available. Bonds. Government and corporate bonds from selected countries are also available. So TradingView covers a vast number of countries and their respective exchange, providing comprehensive data for traders and investors. So warm welcome to my YouTube channel. I am your host Subhajit Bhattacharya and I am the student of IIT Bombay. In today's video, I am super excited to show you how to import live data straight from TradingView into your Python project. Whether you are building a trading bot, monitoring stocks, or automating your strategy, having access to real-time data is crucial. I will guide you step by step on how to use Python to pull TradingView's data. To import live data from TradingView into Python, you would typically need to use an API. Unfortunately, TradingView does not offer an official API for direct access to live market data. So what's the solution? However, we can access data from TradingView using alternative methods. Like first one you can do with web scraping. Second one, leveraging third-party APIs like TradingView_TA or TV data feeds. Actually, I already made a video with TV data feeds, but there is some problem while you are trying to install TV data feeds into your Python terminal via pip command, because it's not available in pip. But you can easily check out the GitHub page. There you will get the complete source code and you can just read it and you can use it in your way. So it can be done. Otherwise, you can follow my video which already I made in my Python playlist. Just go and check it out. Third, brokers that integrate with TradingView, such as Alpasa, Binance, or other that provide market data. Fourth, the last method, websocket. In this video, I will use websocket to import data from TradingView into your Python terminal. So now I am into the computer screen and you can see TradingView is open and Nifty 50 5-minute chart is available. So if we want to import this data into your Python terminal, then we need to understand the data structure. We need to understand the data corresponding to which API or which WebSocket is available inside this page. So we need to inspect this page to get the all relevant information about this page. So let me inspect this page. So if I want to inspect this page, we need to right click on the chart. So if I right click into the chart, then there will be no inspect, because this is a chart layout. So you won't get any inspect element here, but you have to go to the outside of the chart and we will right click here, and here we will get the inspect element. Now if I click on the inspect element, then we can see the details are here. So we need to go to the network tab. Under network tab, we will go to the WS, that is WebSocket, because in this page we don't have any API but we have some WebSocket. We need to connect this WebSocket to get the relevant data. So look at here, there is no WebSocket available right now, but if we reload this page, then we can see some WebSockets are available. So look at here, 3 WebSockets are available. So we'll click on this WebSocket and we'll go to the header. So look at here, the request URL. Here you will notice this is not HTTPS, this is WSS, that means WebSocket. So we need to copy this WebSocket until WebSocket, because rest of this part belongs to some chart pattern. So we copy this WebSocket address and we'll go to our Python terminal. Here you can see I have already created main.py, and here we'll create a variable socket and we will store that WebSocket URL. So this is our required URL. We need to send request and we will receive some response from this WebSocket, and finally we will receive the required data from here. And I hope you have some idea about WebSocket. If you don't have any idea about WebSocket, then just Google it and you will get all the relevant information about WebSocket module and what are the functions available in WebSocket. You can easily get it out and you will read it out. So let me go to the TradingView again and we will understand how the WebSocket works. So let me go to the message. Now you will see there are a lot of message available here. So I'll go to the top and we'll check all the messages. First one is not required for this project. You need to send only 3 messages from all these things. No need to concentrate on all messages one by one, but you have to provide just 3 messages. If you send only 3 messages from here, list of messages, then only you will get the historical data for a corresponding stock, indices, future, option, whatever available in TradingView, you can collect the data. So first you need to concentrate on this data. This is chart create session. So first time when the chart is created, then we need some historical data. After that you will get the WebSocket data, that is live data, and it will create the chart. So first of all we need some historical data. So for that we need to trigger this message. We have to send this message to the WebSocket. Let me copy this message and we will understand how does it look like and what is the format available. Let me go to the JSON editor and we will paste it out here, and we will try to generate a JSON object, and so that we can understand the JSON key and about the data structure. But there is some error, because if we delete the first part, let me zoom in. Look at here, if we delete this one, then it will make a JSON format. So look at here. So first one So here we will have two JSON keys, M and P, and this is the value. Under M we have chart create session, and under P there are two items. Look at here, the first one is your chart create session ID, and the second one is one blank. So look at here, this one is blank. So we need to create this kind of messages. And also look at here M55M. So what is 55? 55 is nothing but the length of this array. Total number of the character in this array is 55. So we need to create this message. So let me copy and we'll paste it into a Python terminal, and we'll try to generate this kind of message. So first of all we need to create a function that will create this kind of messages. So let me define a function def create message. Now in this function we need to pass two arguments. First one is your function and second one is your argument. So function and argument. Now we need to create this message first. So from curly bracket to curly bracket. So let me copy and let me paste it here. So this is our required message first time. So this one and also we have to replace this by the function, and here we need to replace this by argument. Now we need to dump this element as a JSON object. So we need a JSON object. So let me import all this module so that we can use them to import the total data. So first module we need from websocket import create connection, and second import JSON because we are dealing with JSON, and also import pandas as PD. So these are three required modules. We need this module to create this project. So let me create a variable. Let me take ms equal to JSON dot dumps this object. So till now we have created this part of this message. Now we need to add this message also. So now let me create a variable msg is equal to, let me paste this value, let me take underscore. Now we need to replace 55 to the length of this message. So ms, the length of this string will place here. So let me delete this and let me take plus sign. Now we need to calculate the length of this string. So length will be ms. So it will return the length of this string, but this will act as a string. So we need to pass as a string str. Now it's complete because we have generated this part. Now we have to add this one also. So we have to add ms already as a JSON object, so it's a string, so there will be no issue. So let me print msg and we'll see. So let me run this function. We'll pass some function. Now we'll pass this function. Let me copy this and we'll pass the chart session and we'll pass the argument also. So let me print this one and let me hide this one because it will give you some error. So let me save this file and we'll run. So it's working. Our create message is working nicely. Look at here 59. So it may be the length of this string is 59 and according to this format it's working. So it's working nice. There is no issue. Now we need to create the connection on this socket. So first we need to create the connection for this socket. So let me create a connection by this socket. So let me take ws as a variable, create socket connection is equal to create connection socket. So once we have created this socket connection, we need to send message on this WS. So WS, our socket connection, we need to pass this message. So let me pass this WS here, and we'll take WS also here, and we'll send the message into WS dot send msg. So now this function will create the message, and also it will send the message to the WebSocket, and we'll receive some response. So let me take the response also. So let me take the response equal to ws dot recv. So it will receive some response, but there will be so many response, so we need a infinite loop while true. Then we'll take the response and we'll print response. So let me save this file and we'll run it. Let's see if there is some response coming or not. Look at here, some response is coming, so it's working nicely. So let me close this one. Now we need to create another message and we need to send another message. So first one we have created chart create session. Now we need to send another message. So let me go to the TradingView and we'll see. So we need to send resolve symbol. So for the second one, let me copy this. So copy it, and let me copy this resolve symbol as a function. So we need to change this value as a resolve symbol, and the argument will be this one. So let me increase this window and we'll copy it from here. So let me copy it from here, and so let me copy it and we'll paste it here. So our second connection also established. Let me check. Let me run this file, and if there is some response, look at here, some response is happening. There are some data already, you can check. So let me close this one. This is not complete. We need to pass another message. So let me go to the TradingView and we'll copy this message also. So this one is a create series. So let me create a message like that, and here we need to delete all this argument as well as the function. Now let me copy this function. This is the create series. So let me copy it and we will paste it here. Also we have to copy this argument. So let me copy this and we will paste it here inside this box. So it's done. Now let me save this file and we'll run. If there is some response is coming or not. Look at here, there are so many data available, so our WebSocket is working nicely. So there are so many messages we are going to receive, but we need to separate all messages. So how we can do that? Print a new line. So \n. If we print new line, then all messages will come separately. So let me run it again and we will get the response. Look at here, the data we are coming, and look at here, you can see series completed. If we get series completed, that means we already have the data. So we need to terminate this infinite while loop if we are getting series completed. So let me copy this and let me close this one. So if series completed in response, then we will break. That means if we are getting series completed, then we will break this infinite loop. So let me save this file and we will run it again. Look at here, we are getting series completed, so it will break. So let me copy this data. And we will go to the JSON viewer and we will paste it here, and we will try to understand the JSON structure of this raw data.
So first of all, let me go to the PyCharm editor and we will see here I am asking 5-minute data for 300 candle. So we are looking for 300 candle only. So let me reduce this number to get it properly. Let me do it 10 candle. So let me save this file and run it again. So it will give you less data and we will understand it clearly. Now let me copy this data. It will be less data, so it will be easier to understand. So let me copy it and we will go to the JSON editor, paste it here. So I am asking for 10 candles data. So let me search 10 candles data. Look at here, 0 to 9. So this is the 10 candle data. First one, your timestamp, open, high, low, close and volume. So this is your data structure. So our desired data start from S and it ends in NS. So we need to make a slice of this total data beginning with S. Look at here, beginning with S and it will end with NS. So let me go to the PyCharm and we will take a slice of this result data. So let me create another function. Let me create another function, format data, and we will pass response. So let me define this function, define format data, and we will replace data. Now start equal to data dot find. So let me go to the browser and we'll copy this one from here up to this. So this one, and also in is equal to data dot find. Let me copy the NS part also. Let me copy this and we'll paste it. Now final data is equal to JSON dot loads. Now data start plus 4 comma end. So let me run this code and we will check whether the data is coming or not. Look at here, the data is coming, so there is no issue. So let me copy this and we will try to understand whether it is working correctly or not. So let me delete all this data and let me copy this. So look at here, the data is coming. So in I equal to 0, first candle data, I equal to 1, we have second candle data, like that. So we have 10 candles data. If we try to increase the candle data, then we can easily do it from here. So we need to take, let me take 1000 bar. So if we again run this code, then we will get a longer data. So this is our required data. So we are getting data from TradingView. Now we need to create a pandas data frame. So let me delete this and let me take a variable app data is equal to, let me create an array. Now for item in final data, app data dot append item under v, and let me print app data. So look at here, the data structure already have created. This is a JSON. So we need to create a data frame. So print pd dot data frame and we will pass app data. So we will get into our desired format. So look at here, the first one, your timestamp, open, high, low, close and volume. So this is our required data. Now we can change the column name as time, open, high, low, close and volume also. And here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 999, that is 1000 candle data you can easily import. So here also if we change the number of candle, let me take 100 candle, so we'll get 100 candle. Now if we again run, look at here 0 to 99. So in this way we can import TradingView's data, historical data as well as live data also into your Python terminal with just using WebSocket. No need to use any kind of module like TradingView TA or TB data feeds. Anything is not required. Just by using WebSocket and pandas we can easily import whatever data you want. It may be Bitcoin, it may be currency, forex, commodity, equity, option, future, whatever data is available in TradingView, we can easily import into your Python terminal. If you think this video is really helpful, then please subscribe my channel and like this video and share it with your friend as much as you can. I need your support very badly. Please be with me. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.